if it'll start typing, please. This is how to create a Google Doc. Alright, so here's how you create a Google Doc. You just go into your documents from your Gmail or wherever. You go into documents and then you just go into create new. Now if you want a document, you just go to document, and that would be like any Word document, or presentation would be like a PowerPoint. Spreadsheet would be like an Excel, form, drawing, folder. We want to create a Google document. So I click on that, and then you'll just notice you have all these toolbars and you've just made a Google Doc. Simple as that. Now, one of our first documents is going to be titled, well, sometimes it's temperamental and doesn't want to type. It's called Chapter 1 Vocabulary. First vocabulary word will be coefficient. Alright, then what I would do is I would define it and give an example. Now, before I am done, I want to title it. I click in here where it says untitled document, and I can title it in. So I'm going to title this Josh T. Chapter 1 Vocab. Press OK. And then, once I'm finished, I can share it. Now, I want to go to Share Settings, and I want all of you to change the permissions. You want to change it. And then I want to change it to anyone with a link, because you're going to add this to your blog, and I want to be able to click the link and see it. I don't want it private, because if it's private, no one can read it, and I don't want it public on the web because I don't want everybody reading it. So I'm going to say anyone with a link, and then it says allow anyone to edit. Don't do that. I don't want anyone to be able to edit this but the writer. So I'm going to save. It says OK. Now if I want to add people directly, like if I want to add my friend Kyle Rippey, I can add him, and he's already in my address book, so I just have to do that, and then I can either choose he can edit or he can just view. Edit means that he can change what I have written. Can view means that he just can see it. He cannot change it. What I also want you to see is that you have the URL address. So I could easily copy that, and then I can paste that anywhere in my blog, and then they'll be able to click on that link and go straight to my document. Okay, that is basically everything that you need to know about saving a Google Doc. And I'm going to take Mr. Rippey out of there because I really don't want to have him in there, and I'm just going to click share so everyone can see it. It says please specify at least one. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to add myself. Alright, so I'm going to add myself, and of course I can edit, and I'm going to share, and then that's it. I can close that if I want to, and I have just made a Google Doc, and I have also shared it with anyone that has a link.